Hey guys, it's Juggalo Prince. Right now, this video is going to be on how to clean your ps3 controller. Things you'll need is like, well, any controller, in general, but what you'll need is like, kind of like a needle or a tack. Most people think your controller is clean when it's not really not, but, after this video, you'll want to clean your controller a lot. Because, let me show you, like, in between the little cracks and stuff, it's really dirty, it's really nasty. But you want to take this needle right here, and you want to run it through the cracks and stuff, and you will find out all the sweat and dirt that's in it. It's kind of really disgusting. See, this was just like maybe an inch. See, that's like germs and dirt and sweat and everything. It's really nasty. So for people who don't wash their hands after, you really want to wash your hands after handling your controller. You really want to clean it, and also you'll kind of see on how dirty it can get. Kind of see that right there, right here. That's all dirt and sweat and everything, and you want to clean that as best as you can, or else you'll like get germs and you'll get sick. So, not try to clean your PS3 controller. I hope you guys enjoy. Learn from this. It really works. Deuce.